फ्रेंड्स गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। डिस्कस करिबा आज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पॉलिटिकल साइंस क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? ऑप्शन ए पावर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट क्रिएटिंग ए न्यू स्टेट, ऑप्शन बी पावर ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर altering the name of the state, option C equality before law guaranteed to both Indian citizens and non-citizens, option D equality of opportunities guaranteed to only Indian citizens. Right answer option number B, power of state legislature altering the name of the state. Next question, which one among the following is not guaranteed by the Constitution of India? Option A freedom to move freely throughout the country, option B freedom to assemble peacefully without arms, option C freedom to own, acquire and dispose of property anywhere in the country, option D freedom to practice any trade or profession. Right answer option C, freedom to own, acquire and dispose of property anywhere in the country. Next question, the purpose of directive principle of state policy is to, option A lay down positive instruction which would guide state policy at all levels, option B implement Gandhiji's idea for a decentralized state, option C check the use of arbitrary powers by the government, option D promote welfare of the backward sections of the society. Right answer option A, lay down positive instruction which would guide state police at all levels. Next question, in which case did the Supreme Court restore the primacy of the fundamental rights over the directive principle of state policy? Option A Goleknath case, option B Kesavanand Bharati case, option C Minerva Mills case, option D all of the above case. Right answer option B. Right answer Kesavanand Bharati case. Next question, which of the following rights conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? Option A right to constitutional remedies, option B freedom to speech, option C freedom to move and settle in any part of the country, option D freedom to acquire property. Right answer option number B, freedom to speech. Next question, a government is federal or unitary on the basis of relation between, option A three organs of government, option B center and states, option C legislature and the executive, option D constitution and the states. Right answer option number B, center and states. Next question, which one of the following is a human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Option A right to information, option B right to work, option C right to education, option D right to housing. Right answer option C, right to education. Next question, under the Constitution of India, which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A to vote in public election, option B to develop the scientific temper, option C to safeguard public property, option D to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals. Right answer option number A, to vote in public election. Next question, regarding equality before law, the Indian Constitution makes exception in the case of, option A the president or a governor, option B foreign sovereigns only, option C the president only, option D none of the above. Right answer option A, the president of or a governor. Next question, censorship of the press, option A is a prohibited by the Constitution, option B has to be judged by the test of reasonableness, option C is a restriction on the freedom of the press mentioned in Article 19, option D is specified in Article 31 of the Constitution. Right answer option number B, has to be judged by the test of reasonableness. Next question, the right against exploitation prohibits children. Option A, below 14 years of age from employment in family business. Option B, below 14 years of age from being employed in hazardous occupations. Option C, below 14 years from working on family farms. Option D, from doing all the above. Right answer, option number B, below 14 years of the age from being employed in hazardous occupations. The right to constitutional remedies in India is available to option A, citizens of India only. Option B, all persons in case of infringement of any fundamental right. Option C, any person for enforcing any of the fundamental rights conferred on all person. Option D, an aggrieved individual alone. Right answer, option number B, all person in case of infringement of any fundamental rights. Thank you.